Hi, thrifting friends. Let's go thrifting. I haven't been to this location in about a week. It was on the same day as today, a Sunday. Let's go see what kind of treasures we can find. So 50% off everything with a red tag. Good morning. I think I'm first. Hi.
Our red color today, and we still have winter on sale. Anything with a winter tag,
Nice.
including our sweaters, okay?
Got it. Thank you. Oh, there's only a few people in the store. It opens at 10 on Sundays. Exciting. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at what they just rolled out. Oh, nice crystal. Those are cute. $2.50. Oh, that's a nice vase. Unmarked. $4.50. And a totally me, little tiny $10.50 for this little tiny sewing machine. It's pretty neat. Haven't seen one of these since I was a kid. A lot of pretty things. What do you say we start with the art? Sorry about my voice. A little bit gruff this morning. They have some pretty stuff right here. Oh, it's nice to come in, no music, nobody's here. Oh, this is nice. That's pretty. Okay, so we'll have to go through electronics before getting over to $10.50 for that. The art, and from here I can see that there's a lot over there. KitchenAid, $100. Oh, look at that. Frozen yogurt maker, $15.50. They have some nice appliances out today. So I'm wondering if I'll see some red tags. Oh, they got some nice lamps too. I'm looking for a lamp that I could paint. Darn it, if this crystal one would have been a red tag, I think I would have taken it home today. Okay, here's the art corner. So it's all here. And I've found some treasures here. I just never know what I'm going to get. I'll ditch my cart. And let's start looking. Home decor. Oh, that's pretty. A lot of prints. Children's stuff. Some Asian art. And these are more like canvases. Art prints. These ones are a little bit more expensive, $15.50. They're signed. And they have a pair. And then some First Nation art. We have it at, how much is that? $40. Oh, red tag, half price. Those are half price. They've been here for a few weeks. And then we have some more. Oh, so those are really nice. If somebody wanted to, put a splash of brown in their living room, that'd be really, really nice. And they're $12. Say 12, yes. A lot of canvas prints. I'm not seeing oil paintings. Oh, that's sweet. Too bad that wasn't a painting. That's really nice. Mirror. There I am. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's nice. Is it like a wall hanging. Looks old. I don't see much done today with velvet on the back anymore. It's really sweet. So is this. Oh, $2.50. That's nice. Owl. Feels like I had the store to myself. Okay, let's grab my cart. They brought out some new stuff. All right. Best Grandpa, $20. Oh, look at this. It's very thin. That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna put that in the cart. I like that painted bottle down there. That's really sweet. Boxes. Oh, beautiful. They have a lot more stuff than they had last week. Look at those. Those are nice. And there's a pair of them. Interesting. These are nice. Upside down. I guess that's how they're supposed to be. Candle holders. Really pretty. Oh, look at that. $5.50 plums. I love it. I really like fruit on plates. What do we have here? Aluminum shell. Gorgeous blue. Absolutely stunning. These are grapes. Oh, check this out. Oh, that's nice. Those match. It's a pair. A lot of nice home decor this time. Incredible. Again, collector plates. Easter's around the corner. Gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. Oh, look at this elephant. Trunk down. Sunflowers, $6.50. Oh my goodness, look at these. Oh, look at those. Oops. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? It's 3 of them. $2.50. Really, really light, really thin glass. I spy my little eye on something painted, or is that transferware? I think it's transferred. Gorgeous. See, you could do that if you paint it on glass. Easy. So we're looking for red tags. Oh, there's one. There's another one. Lots of beautiful crystal. Red tags, red tags. So they're half price. That's nice. It's not clear. It's kind of has a tint to it with, so it's not like lead crystal, although it is heavy. Oh, half price on that punch bowl. Wow, okay. On that one too. Oh my goodness, so that would be, okay, this would be a set for $10.50. So that would be $5.25 for the set. Beautiful punch bowl. Beautiful. Tons of beautiful crystal here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Not a beautiful stuff. People are starting to pack in. The roads are treacherous out there again today. So I was one of the first ones in. Beautiful stemware. Amazing. Oh, this is different. How do you drink out of that? I guess I'd find a way. $2.50. Oh, look at these ones. Look at that. Gorgeous color. Gorgeous. $1.50. $2.50. Yeah, that's neat. That is so neat. So is that uranium glass or not? It seems to be, I don't know, something neat about it. You know what? I'm going to throw it in my cart. I took my jacket off. Kind of like carnival glass for $2.50, and they have a pair of them. Anything brass seems to disappear really quick. Look at this, heavy. And there's a little guy. $10.50. Not bad. That's pretty much how it is here today. Icy cold. That was $40.50. It's a big statue. That's a gorgeous print up there. $30, so it's half price, $15. The unicorn too is half price, $25. And some pottery. Darn it. Half price. Half price for that bowl too. What you gotta watch out for on these wooden statues is a lot of times they're broken. This guy's broken in a few places. That's too bad. This is a nice box. It looks like mother of pearl inlay for $3.50. It's really sweet. These are actually ceramic, believe it or not. I thought they were plastic. Some more artwork. This is definitely modern stuff. Vintage. Half price on that. Oh, that's cute. Kind of pricey though. That's half price today. 50% off. And 50% off that huge platter. That's been there for weeks. Pair of bears.
I'm just grabbing one more piece of this.
Oh gosh, look at this. But it's plastic. It's too bad. It looked like it could be like stone. So from this point on, I'm doing a voiceover from home. There was just too many people around. I didn't feel like talking to myself out in public anymore. Okay. This is towards the front of the store, and they usually put some very fancy things in the front. Now these are half price too, so that'd be $6.25. If you're looking for home decor, you know, shopping, thrift shopping is the way to go. You can get so many cute things for cheap, literally cheap. Look at that tile. Oh my goodness. And the fruit on those plates. A bit pricey. Maybe it's worth it. Gotta wait for a white tag sale though. Spoiler alert, my thrift haul today was not huge. Oh, look at this. I think this is a true definition of winter white. Looking at the glass, through a window with snow in the background. Isn't that lovely? Just the backdrop looks so nice. Check it out. A lot of amazing thrift store finds. Murano glass, perhaps. 50/50. Gorgeous. A lot of thrift store finds to be had today. A lot. Just not for me. But I have to touch everything. I have to look at everything. Those are beautiful. Cobalt blue, gold. I always like those. Oh, $45.50. Ooh. Those seashells are pretty good value for $2.50. That's half price. Pottery. We even have vintage clothing. We're not going to go into any clothing though. I just thought that was a nice looking display of scarves rather. Guess handbag, kind of beat up. They put the coach, etc. behind the counter. Now these bracelets are like $3.50 a piece. Thumb through a few of them for you. I thought they were very, very pretty. You guys do a lot of thrift flipping? I don't yet, but I would like to. I sell a few pieces here and there, but nothing serious. Only started to go into thrift shops in November. So we're talking 3-4 months. Like that hen. I have some of that blue iridescent Indiana glass in the basement that I've had since I was like in my 20s. Star Wars. I love secondhand shopping. I just love it. And Easter shopping. People are out and about doing that, getting ready for it. Very affordable. It's like this stuff has never been touched. I'm so happy you guys come along and thrift with me. I love making these videos. I do believe this is soapstone. Something that Canada is kind of known for. Look at that. These are tiny. And that giraffe is still there. Spotted him last week. There's a lot of thrift store treasures. I'm telling you. Get out there, go thrifting, have some fun. You'd be surprised at what you walk out with and how little you paid. Easter Bunny, salt and pepper shakers, $2.50. And there's a lot of designer thrift finds too. This clothing here is 50% off. The red tags are there. Not going to go through it. You could make over your house with thrift store treasures so easily shopping at Goodwill. That plate, $4.50. Gold trim. Beautiful. And what you got to look for is that sometimes they'll move pieces around. They'll put a couple pieces to make a display, and the rest of the collection is on a shelf. So it's not everything. So if you think there's just 2 pieces, there might be more. I love those roses. I'm telling you, painted roses, I just love. Very nicely done. Beautiful. Stunning. Rose is the most difficult flower to paint, in my opinion. Look at that. Half price. That'd be $5.25. Gorgeous. And they have a lot of retro fashion too. I bought a coat here. Actually, a jacket. And whoop, what's this? I thought this was Old Country Roses. $2.50 each. Knockoff, Taiwan. I left them. If it would have been Old Country Roses, I would have brought them instantly. Bargain hunting today, though. More salt and pepper shakers. There's so many hidden gems out there. I love shopping for hidden gems. And look at these tiny little saucers. Nice gold on the bottom, $2.50 a piece. A lot of very affordable glassware at this Goodwill. You hit the right sale, boy, I'm telling you. And that's half price too. I guess that's for what? Not sure what that's for. You know what that's for? Not sure if it's for the bureau or for the table. Yeah, unfortunately my Goodwill haul is kind of scant today. I really didn't buy much. Only bought one thing. I put the yellow mug back and picked up just the greenish flower vase. It was clear with a hint of green in it. And spoiler alert, it was not uranium glass. But you guys knew that. Another sweet piece. Boy, the thrift store finds. I mean, wow, did you guys find anything this weekend, actually? Probably more than me. There just wasn't a lot that was grabbing my attention, but I gotta touch everything. I gotta keep looking, and then you get the newer stuff that is kind of high priced, and then it'll be marked down when it has a sale. So like this here, in a second, this piece here had a nice heft to it. Sweet ceramics, made in Italy. Okay, I should have brought that home. My kitchen is in the light blue shade. My walls are light blue. That's a problem too. Like when I'm shopping for myself and not filming, it's different. I have a different experience. But when I'm filming, I miss a lot actually. And then I walk back after and do like my shopping too. I do my shopping while I'm filming. And then after I shut my camera off, because I miss a lot because I'm looking through the camera and with my glasses on, it's kind of a hard thing for me to see clearly. I can't read like the names and stuff because of my cell phone. And I'm really thinking about the video and who's around me. It's kind of difficult. I gotta hand it to all you guys out there who are making these fantastic thrift with me videos. It's not as easy as it looks. And I appreciate you guys' comments on what I should do to improve. Today I received a comment about yesterday's video that you guys want to see more of me putting stuff in my cart and what I buy. And looking back, I haven't been doing that as well as I could. So going forward, I'm going to try to do more like, okay, putting this in my cart, and at the end, before I get to the cash, here's what I'm going to go and actually buy. But what's been happening is that as I get closer to the cash register, things are moving around me. There's more people, and I kind of get a little bit, I don't know, shy about, pulling my camera out. But I'm just going to do it. To heck with it. I'm just going to do it. I know some people give me kind of looks like, what are you doing in here filming? You know what I mean? But hey, it's good for Goodwill when we make these videos. Good for everyone. Get you guys out and about and shopping and yeah, I love it. I love watching you guys' videos too. What comes around goes around, eh? I have a very similar set of those. Yep, similar. But they weren't selling it in the set. They were selling it piece by piece. $1.50, $2.50. Not bad. And those things were sweet. I just love secondhand shopping, I gotta admit. I wasn't into it for years and years. The way the world has gotten in the past couple of years, everything's more expensive. And going out thrifting, I feel like, wow, I'm actually getting something for my money. I don't know about you guys, but the money just seems to evaporate so much quickly now. I went to Walmart and tomatoes were like almost $3 a pound. It used to be $1 a pound a couple of years ago. Unreal. So money just kind of disappears, but go secondhand shopping, you get so much more for your money. Now these plates here, I have a set in the basement. Pull them out at Christmas instead of using my fancy china. I didn't realize how much it was worth now. I got a 4-place setting from Zellers maybe 15 years ago for $40. So it's gone up in value according to these prices. Lettuce, England. Yeah, I paid $40 for my set. Unreal. I guess I could sell it for a heck of a lot more piece by piece if I wanted to. But then I'd be stuck. I wouldn't have another set. A lot of nice finds. Okay, these are half price too. $1.25. I love bargain hunting now. Addicted to it. I swear I'm addicted to it. Like the snowstorms don't keep me away. And I hate winter driving. And here we go. You remember those? Don't smoke. I remember those ashtrays. This is kind of the as seen on TV boxed stuff. A little bit of bakeware. They don't have much for pots and pans. That's half price. That was a nice looking roaster. And the silver plated serving sets. Always on the hunt for it. I love silver plate. Not worth a lot, but still it gives a lot of it makes an impression. Christmas, you bring out the silver, lay it out. And this guy here, $20. Too bad it was chipped. You'd think for the price of that kind of cookware, it wouldn't chip, but French onion soup bowls. Remember these? Oh, look at these thrift store finds. Check it out. Check it out. Retro or what? Pyrex, I believe. With capital letters. Pyrex. It's got to be worth more than $10. Got to be. Yeah, really nice. More Pyrex. Casserole dishes. I can't believe the price on this stuff. Morningware. And that's a small frying pan. Tiny casserole, $10.50. These guys are nice too. Browning skillet. You just never know what you're going to see. Eye teasing, eh? So there was like a streak of color in the glass, but in real life, it was even more eye teasing than what it seemed like the camera picked up on it. This caught my eye. I just had to check it out. Okay, brand new almost. Takes a battery. Nothing special. And here we go. A little bit more art. More. Oh, that vase is nice, eh? No name, but there was a sticker. Oh, it's put there backward. A big logo on it. Well, guys, I wanted to let you know that the only thing I bought was that small, clear vase with a hint of green. And yeah, please hit that subscribe. Hit that like. I appreciate it for the old YouTube algorithm. And I hope you had fun. Thanks.